Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TaskRabbit for property cleanup and staging support. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TaskRabbit website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and a password. After completing the sign up form, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, select your location from the drop-down menu to find available taskers. In the search bar, type property cleanup or staging support. Scroll through the list of taskers that match your search criteria. Click on a tasker's profile to view their ratings, reviews, and rates. If you find a suitable tasker, click the Hire button on their profile. Choose the date and time you need the service. Provide additional details about the cleanup or staging project in the message box. Review the total cost and confirm your booking before proceeding to payment. Enter your payment information and submit to complete your order. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email. You can message your tasker directly through the platform for any questions or details. On the day of the service, ensure that access to the property is available for your tasker. After the task is completed, take a moment to leave feedback on your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.